Hey everyone, Joe Feng Creative, the Shy Tradesman. Quick update. So walls are now rebuilt using every single last piece of stone that fell out, and with new block work on top of that because there wasn't enough stone to go around. So as you can see from the new mortar, all of this fell out. 2 more lintels in. Block work around door recess done. Old internal door removed. First bit of plasterboard on, which is setting now. Other bit there. New roof line to hide new pipe working cables to go upstairs. Annoying job. Ready for boarding. And just a few bits in here. We are getting there. Next job. Unfortunately, this is all loose lime plaster, so that's all going to come off up to the pipe work. Try and take off as small amount as possible. Getting there. Wish me luck. Like and subscribe.